Hi, my name is TJ, and today I'm going to show you a quick demo of a Fiori wizard-based application that is aimed to help users by dividing large or complex tasks into segments. We can use this wizard if the user has to accomplish a long task, such as filing out a long questionnaire, or a task that is unfamiliar to the user. It typically consists of a 3 to maximum of 8 steps. This wizard can be used for both create and edit scenarios. So for example, if you want to create a sales order or create some master data or carry out any backend SAP transaction in which the queue transaction provided by SAP is a very busy transaction, contains several tabs and certain fields. In our example scenario today, I'm going to show you a Fiori wizard-based application for managing stocks. When a user clicks on this Fiori app, it brings the user to this next screen, which clearly says that the user has to choose a product type to proceed further. So user can choose from the following product types: mobile, desktops, or others. When a user selects this, the step 2 is visible and they have to click on the step 2. That brings the control to the next tab, which is product information. Here you have to provide a certain mandatory fields. So the first mandatory field is the name of the product. As it is clearly visible that and you have to enter the name with greater than 6 characters. So unless you enter 6 characters, this field stays green. As soon as you enter 6 characters, the error is gone, and that means that you have fulfilled the criteria. On the next field, which is also a mandatory field, the user has to enter the weight. The weight has to be a numeric value. So if I try to enter any value from my keyboard, which is not numeric, say for example, any alphabets, the Fury app is intelligent enough to ignore those values and nothing is entered on this field. But as soon as I enter numeric fields, this error is gone and then you can complete this value. As we have completed all the mandatory fields on this tab, that means the step 3 is enabled. And when you click on a step 3, it brings you to the next information. So this tab contains where users can enter optional informations like the photo of the product or the manufacturing date, what is the availability, and the size of that product. As these fields are not mandatory, you can simply skip those and then you can go to the step 4. Step 4 also is not mandatory, where you can enter certain pricing information for this product. And once you complete this step, the review button is enabled. When you click on the review tab, it gives you a good summary of all the things you have entered in your transactions. If you find any mistake and you want to add it, you can simply go into this tab and then edit certain information. You see that as soon as I clear those values, the validation triggers again. And then it means the validation which were applicable before, you have to fulfill those again. So if I say iPhone 6, and this error is gone, and then you can, as you have already entered all the other fields, you can simply go to the review. There is another good feature about this app, that you don't have to scroll down back and from up and down, and you can again go to any step from this top uh, icons, and you can review all the steps. Once you review all the steps and you think that everything is complete, you can click on submit button. It gives you a pop-up which is optional. You can even hide this pop-up and save this data directly. Otherwise, it asks you for the confirmation that you want to submit your transaction or not. So when I press yes, the data is saved in the backend and then your transaction is complete. Thank you for watching. Bye.